If taco night and pizza night had a baby, this would be it. These cheesy golden taco pizza rolls are everything you love about tacos, but baked into a soft, fluffy swirl of crust that is loaded with toppings and made for sharing. Let's get into it. You can totally bake these in the oven, but I love to cook outdoors, so today I preheated the grill to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and started cooking the ground beef and diced onion in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once it was no longer pink inside, I drained off the grease and added in some bold flavors with that taco seasoning. I let that all simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to soak up all the flavor, and then took it off the heat and let it cool a little bit while I worked on the dough. Refrigerated pizza dough is perfect for this. You just roll it out on parchment paper so it doesn't stick, shape it into a triangle, and spread that seasoned beef evenly over the dough, all the way to the edges, and then top it with a good sprinkle of shredded cheese. Cheddar or Mexican blend would be great. Carefully roll it up just like you would cinnamon rolls. Start from the long edge and roll it tightly so you get all those layers of beef and cheese inside. Use a sharp knife to slice the rolls into about 2-inch pieces and place the rolls cut side up on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop them in the oven or the smoker at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until they're golden on top and cooked through. This took me about 25 minutes in the Traeger. This might be the most fun part because you get to top each one with sour cream, guac, diced tomato, lettuce, onion, whatever you desire on your taco pizza rolls. So that's it. These taco pizza rolls are crispy, cheesy, a little bit spicy, and super crowd pleasing. They're going to be my go-to for a Cinco de Mayo party this year. But honestly, any weeknight dinner or anytime you're firing up the smoker for a get-together would be a great time to try these. Don't forget, I have so many other appetizers and smoked foods for you to check out on Sip Bite Go. Let me know what you think when you try them. De-licious.